it's not just in Africa, but with that mindset, some people say, "Oh, if I'm not in the actual indigenous place, I don't want to do it. How can you do it in the city?" And what they're not realizing is that we are the medicine,
Yeah.
because we've really communed and fused with it on a deep level through the training. So what happens is, it isn't just about the consumption of a cup of ayahuasca. It's about going into when you train properly, you go into the jungle and you create a covenant, an agreement to work with the plant spirit masters and to learn from them, to make the sacrifice, to slow yourself down into jungle time, into plant time, so that they can communicate, and that you're actually absorbing the energetics, you're absorbing it physically in terms of those. It could be eucalyptus, it could be rose, it could be oak, if we're talking about European plants.
Yeah.
But they're actually, you're creating the space for the awareness of the plant to embed itself in your body and to grow within you, so that when you actually sing, you're not singing as an individual, you're singing with the frequency of that particular plant embedded or entwined with your voice. So that frequency that reaches out is what starts to carry the energetic impulse, the healing frequency that works with the person. So that's going to happen, that's going to be present no matter where we are in the world, whether I'm in London or in New York or in Lima or in deep jungle. It's still the same impulse, it's still the same frequency, and it'll still make you purge, because that's its function. So people say, "Oh, it's more." Yes, it's lovely if you can be in the jungle, but not everyone has that luxury of time, money, and energy to make that journey to be there. So what we're doing is saying, well, we're ambassadors. We carry this. We carry the credentials and the training to be able to bring it to your doorstep, so to speak. Does that answer your question to a certain extent?
Yeah.